How's it going, guys? Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just doing an intro really quick because I totally forgot to shoot one while I was doing the exhaust install. I was too carried away. I was super excited. I just had to get working on that exhaust, you know. Super excited about this FullRace. You know, it's my dream exhaust, the first ever legit exhaust I've ever owned, and my first installation of an exhaust. So, and I know I've been gone for a little bit, but you know, it's good to be back and doing some videos. I've just been really busy. I know the last video was supposed to be like a cleaning video, but you know, I thought that was a little too boring, so I didn't want to release that video. I just, you know, just wanted to provide some more exciting content for you guys. Peace, guys. Enjoy. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's over there. Alright, let's get this. Wonderful. Alright, what's up, guys? Right now, I'm almost getting this thing on. Off. Almost getting this thing off. Just trying to take off the hangers, but I think I'm just gonna take off the rest of these bolts off right here. Let's get it.
Oh my god, la chiqui se está escondiendo de ti. Aquí está abajo.
Alright, so I just did that part right there. Please excuse the hair, it's very messy. Hey, look what's this. What's up? Tell them what's up. Tell them what's up, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? This is Cheeky's, this is the homegirl right here. She's always looking after me, you know? Alright, well, alright, so right now this thing is all unhooked. So right now I just need to get that right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, the hanger right there. Now I'm just following the instructions on the FullRace YouTube channel. So yeah, let's get it. So I just took off the OEM exhaust. Oh my gosh. Sorry, ignore the shoes and the mess in the background. But wow, this exhaust was nasty. Oh my gosh. All this is from the WD-40. Trying to get this thing off. Oh my gosh, this thing was a pain in the ass because of this. I don't really care about taking these things off. They're gonna stay on here because I got the, where is it? I got the torque solution not mortar mounts, exhaust mount. So yeah, it's these right here. Way more quality. Holy shit. You can barely push this thing down. So let's see. Let's put this thing together. So this is my front camera, so if it looks like booty, you already know why. I already unboxed this. It's on my Instagram, but I put everything back on so it won't scratch. All right, guys, so I'm almost done with the exhaust. I still need this back piece right here. Let me turn the camera around. So yeah, I just need this back piece right here, and I'm having a lot of trouble fitting the exhaust hangers from Torque Solution. But you know, that's how you know that they're gonna be nice and sturdy on there. That was the hardest part of this install, is dealing with the hangers. I don't really have any like hanger tools. Also, and I know you're not supposed to use the jacks as to hold things. I mean, to hold the car up. I know that, but I just don't have, you know, I just rather save my money and just go for it. And I only have these old ones right here. I just put the wheels under just in case anything happens. Other than that, it's been up in the air for like an hour and a half or 2 hours. I'm not too sure, but now almost finished. I'm just gonna install this, clean this up, clear everything under the car, put it down, and then we'll do a nice cold start slash kind of warmish start, because I drove the car here because I don't live here. This is my parents' house. But yeah, we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm so excited, super duper excited. All right, I just finished. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Holy crap. For some reason, the exhaust, having a big exhaust makes this car look thick. That looks crazy good. All right, so I'm about to do a cold start. I was about to put the car down and clean all this stuff up, but I forgot I have to check for exhaust leaks. So I think I'm gonna have my mom cold start this, and we'll see the results. Also, I'm gonna insert a clip of how it was before and then an after clip.